What's up guys, Wes here with Rocky Mountain, here to show you another product for the CRF110. This is the Tusk Frame Cradle Kit, and what it does is reinforces your foot peg mount on your motorcycle. This is how you bulletproof your bike, guys. This is really important for faster, bigger, more aggressive riders because the foot peg mounts on these bikes mount straight to the engine case. And that's a vulnerable spot if you're putting a lot of load on your foot pegs. I've heard of people tearing those frame mounts right out of the engine case. And obviously that's a major repair and a costly one. So this gives you a little peace of mind. It's a little insurance that's not too expensive. It mounts to the back of your foot peg mount and then mounts also to the frame of the motorcycle. And that's how it helps spread that load back to the frame, which is obviously a stronger piece and can handle that abuse. So these things are, again, a good way to bulletproof your pit bike if you're riding aggressive. If you're wanting to prevent that unwanted damage to your motorcycle, pick one of these up. These are a super easy install. It comes with all the hardware that you need to get it done. And they are also available in red or silver, depending on what you're looking to do. And so yeah, if you guys have any questions with them, leave them below and I'll get back to you. Again, you can check them out on our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time.